know what it is. It's your boy Alex Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another one. I know I haven't made a video like a week, but I did tell you guys I wanted to space out my videos. So my videos are going to be like this from now on. Every 3 to 4 to 5 days, might be a week, depending. I gotta think, because I'm busy. I do a lot of things besides YouTube, and I got my other tech channel. So anyway, we got the Flip 6 from T-Mobile. That's why you see a T-Mobile bag. So we are going to be unboxing the black, right here, the black Flip 6. So we got a 28 hour battery life. We got Bluetooth 5.4, JBL. I know I talked a lot about JBL, but I was like, you know what, you can't knock it till you try it, So it does have, I think it's like 45 watts maximum output. It is IP, let me see what it says. IP8 water resistant, waterproof, I think. Yeah, IP8 waterproof. Okay, so this thing is dust and waterproof, so you could take this to the beach and no sand. It's gonna seep through here and mess up your speaker, because it doesn't say IPX, it has IP68 waterproof, and right there it does say dust proof. Yep, dust resistant. So yeah, this one is safe to take to the beach and wherever else you want to take it. So it does come with a little strap and the other little strap. So let's get this thing opened. Okay, so here we go. I would think it would have been a bigger speaker, but it is a quite small speaker. So we got my knife here. I'm just gonna cut right through this. There we go. Okay, flip open, boom. And right off the back, we see it says charge 6. Hold on, guys, I think my dog wants to leave the room. Go ahead. Roam free, buddy. Okay, so now we can get back to what I was doing. So the box does show these people right here. Yeah, now. So what we getting in here, we got another thing with the straps. This tells you how to hook the other strap to carry it. So this is the other carry strap in here. Let's open this so you guys can see it. So we got the usual user guide and the other strap in here. So it is wrapped in paper. Okay, so this is the strap. And now let's take out the beautiful JBL Charge 6. Oh my God. This is kind of hard. I'm sitting down. Okay, there we go. Well, I like this. Recycled cardboard. That's what's up. Oh, I like the fabric too. It's like nice cloth fabric. Well, I'm spending $200 on the speaker. So this does have USB Type-C. And it's to charge the speaker, and you could use it as a power bank too to charge your phone. You see it says charge 6 right there. So I guess we got the 2 different straps right here. How would I open this all right here? Kind of ripped it, but it's okay. So these are the strap. This is the strap right here. I don't know where the other one, I think the other one's in here too. Yeah, the other little strap, that's the little thing, is right here. So let's see, you put this through here. Yeah, let's try to do this. So let me bring the camera down some more so you guys can see. The JBL full charge 6 is what I meant to say. Oh no, this goes like this. I was putting it in backwards. Okay. Flip this in here. Hold on, guys. I hate my nerves. There we go. And then we put it. Okay. Hold on. Let me stand up because frustration levels are getting high. trust me, frustration levels are getting hot. Okay. So there we go. Okay, now I don't think I'm putting this up. I mean, putting it backwards because it's meant to be like this. This little loop right here. Okay. There we go. See? So now you can carry it. So I think this is cool. You can carry it. So I want to leave it like this. I'm not even going to use the other band. I'm pretty sure the other band is in here. So basically, I financed it through T-Mobile, guys. In lamest terms, I financed the speaker through T-Mobile because I seriously didn't want to pay the $217 out of pocket. Let's be honest. I didn't want to pay the $217 out of pocket. So here it goes. Here we got the positive radiators, of course, the back, the little stomps, the power, the sync button. And let's get this bad boy turned on and synced to, there we go, synced to my iPhone 15 Pro. So you already know that's the noise that it makes before you connect it. It just shows that the Bluetooth. So all right, so you're gonna see JBL Charge 6 under your Bluetooth. Now let's look for my favorite non-copyrighted music from YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. All right. We're gonna see if this is worth the $217.45 that it cost. Taxes, New Jersey state tax. That's at like 25%. It's like 30, 40, 50%. Pretty low. says 45 watts. Yeah, right. More like 75 watts. This thing just blew me away. Like, I'm serious. It just blew my mind. It blew my mind. Financing it with T-Mobile. You know, I can't show you my finance paper because it shows my, my name, and I have a business account with T-Mobile. But if you're a postpaid customer, you could also finance this through T-Mobile with your regular postpaid account. $200 plus tax. Let me just see the paperwork in the box. Okay, so the speaker with the total was $206.61 was the total price of the speaker. So $8.62 in taxes. So a total of $206.61 was the total price that I ended up paying for the speaker. And I'm only going to pay T-Mobile $16 a month and some change for the next 12 months, and the speaker's mine. So yeah, so if you don't want to drop the whole whatever state, if you live in California, I know you guys got high taxes. New York has high taxes. A lot of states have high taxes. Finance it through your T-Mobile carrot to T-Mobile and save yourself some money and break it down into installment plans. But I am definitely blown away. This speaker is really loud, guys. I mean, really loud. Like, I'm in shock how loud it is. Now let's listen to some more music, because this thing sounds amazing. There we go, guys. Another song. Great sound of speaker. Like I said, it sounds more like 75 watts. More like 75 watts. I'm not even joking. Let's play the next song. You guys, this speaker is amazing. Is it worth the 200 and something dollars? Yes. It is a major cop. Major cop. Seriously. This thing sounds amazing. I'm blown away. Such a little speaker and so freaking loud. Now, I will say this. This thing is way louder than the the Zealot P12. Yeah, the P12 don't really have competition for this speaker. After further testing the P12, I'm kind of disappointed in the performance, to be completely honest. I mean, I only paid $65, but right now, because of tear-ups, that speaker did go up to $150. And to me, the speaker's not worth $250. So if you're going to try to spend $250 right now on Timo's $150, AliExpress is where I bought mine. It's right now it's $250. They're gonna go to $250. JBL, this is American. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken, you guys can correct me. You guys know I'm not into that deep into speakers to know where they're made or anything like that. I think this is JBL, it is an American company. Zealot is not. I think it's either Chinese or Japanese company. Correct me in the comment section. Well, let me know in the comment section. Definitely, if you're gonna spend $250 on that, you might as well get this. Seriously. I mean, this thing is water, a 28-hour battery life. The P12 is only giving me around 6 hours. So I'm really disappointed because on Google it says 40 hours, and that's just a lie. It only has an 8,000 milliamp battery. So anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. And then, with the extra bass and all that, that all drains the battery. So do I regret this purchase on the JBL Charge 6? No. Am I going to buy the JBL Boombox 3? Yes. Before the end of this year, I will be purchasing the Boombox 3. Because if this sounds this loud with 45 watts, the Boombox 3 with 180 watts, I can imagine how loud it sounds. That thing's got to sound like a freaking beast. So yeah, guys, definitely going to cop the JBL 3, hopefully before the summer. Hopefully before my birthday, August. If not, I'll buy it for myself as a birthday gift in August. My birthday's August 11th. I'll get it for my 43rd birthday as a present to myself. So now let's play the next song, guys.
alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Love that song. Love that song. I'm gonna play the next one, and I just want to show YouTube that is copyrighted free. Because for some reason, every time I play the song, it's telling me copyright. Look, YouTube, copyright free music.
Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open, to a new tomorrow, moving with emotion, following the light that sets me free.
After being on this video for more than half an hour, I would say this is a major cop. Sorry to JBL for talking so much trash and saying that you could get better speakers at a cheaper price. When you're paying less, sometimes you get compromises. Now, this speaker, it's basically, I can't compare this to the Zealot S97. It's just not fair. The speaker's bigger. But the sound and the bass this thing projects is freaking amazing. I'm more than glad that I made the purchase. And I'm sorry, this thing is one piece. As you guys can see here, you strap. I didn't need to read this or see this. I already knew what to do. It's just common sense. And then you can sort it into a little noose and carry it from one side. I like carrying it like this, like a regular boombox. So definitely shout out to JBL for a great product. The T-Mobile store sadly only has it in black. I'm pretty sure if I would have ordered it on T-Mobile.com, they do have camouflage and blue and probably purple. I haven't checked, but the last time I checked, they had the Flip 6 in more colors online, but not in store. I don't know why T-Mobile does that, but whatever. You can still get it at T-Mobile and finance it. If not, I will be dropping the Amazon affiliate link, so you could just pay it off at one shot. It's sold and shipped by Amazon, just to let you guys know. So I will be dropping that affiliate link down in the comment section down below, pinned down. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and be safe. And I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. And we will be doing a review on this, because I can imagine this is non-copyrighted music. I can imagine the copyrighted music, how loud it's going to sound, even louder. But anyway, you know I can only play that music on shorts. But anyway, guys, take care, God bless, and be safe. Thank you all to all those subscribers. Make sure you keep showing love and subscribing. I will try to push out these videos every 3 to 4 or 5 days. This one was a little bit longer because I was debating if I was going to get the Charge 6 or the Flip 7, but I chose the Charge 6, and I made the right choice. So anyway, guys, take care, God bless, and be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You already, and thank you for watching.